Alright, I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to use your new driver table. You only have to set a profile once, and once the profile is installed you'll be able to use it anytime you want to work in your car. So as said, you need to go to Profiles and choose Driver Profile Settings. Then I will put a new driver table profile in there. Create profile. And then the next thing you have to do is that you put your chair all the way to the back. And all the way down. And now you can adjust your steering wheel. And this is by pushing this button here. It says steering wheel on the screen. And then with the left button here you can move it to the left, to the right, and up and down. And then you can put your steering wheel all the way down and all the way to the front or toward you. Then everything is set. For putting your driver table, you just put it down like this. It fits very snugly and you're already ready to work. However, you know, I want to adjust my my chair a bit because it's a little bit more comfortable. I'll put it in front a bit, so it gives me a little bit more support on my left elbow, and a little bit up. Then I can see that the steering wheel can still be a bit toward the front of the car again, because then the tilt goes a bit to the front. I think, yeah, like this. It's perfect for me. The last thing you need to do is to save your profile, and then you'll be able to use it anytime you want to.